Hey guys.
You're
Yeah,
vlogging.
I'm back. So what? It's raining.
And we're vlogging at the same time.
I'm gonna vlog your vlog. Wait. Vlog my vlog while I vlog your vlog.
What the heck? See? It's like never ending.
Oh my god, I'm vlogging your vlog. Vlogception. There we go.
Okay. So sorry to slow down.
Anyway, hold on. Put on my glasses. Want to take them out in the rain. Yeah, that's right. I look weird without glasses. Okay, we're in the rain. Hi. Here, look up. Look up in the sky, not a bird, not a plane. It's just little old him. Neon Cat's the name. Okay, then give me my glasses back.
So I'm gonna go outside and you.
There we go. I just put my glasses. It's going down. It's gonna be good. In case you're wondering why my lips are neon pink, that's baby lips with different camera effects. Look at this. I like wind chimes. Alright, let's go to my wind chimes. Anyway, sorry, I just kind of spaced out for a minute. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna end this here and let it be a short vlog. Shout out to my boyfriend, Killjoy505.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so.
Yeah, that's right. I just vlogged her vlog. Say hi to my viewers since I said hi to yours.
Hi.
You're supposed to say it in a retarded voice.
Hi.
Anyway, bye my stars. More vlogs coming soon.